Have you ever wondered if the sun's activity could affect more than just your suntan? We're about to embark on a journey that will change the way you look at our nearest star. We all know the sun as that bright orb in the sky that gives us light and warmth, but did you know it's also a powerhouse of electromagnetic activity that can influence our planet in ways you might never have imagined? Imagine a wind that travels at 1,000,000 miles per hour and stretches across the solar system. That's the solar wind, a stream of charged particles constantly flowing from the sun. When this wind interacts with Earth's magnetic field, it can cause some pretty interesting effects. Sometimes the sun gets a little extra active. It might release a burst of energy called a solar flare, or eject a massive cloud of plasma known as a coronal mass ejection, sometimes referred to as a CME. When these events are directed towards Earth, they can trigger geomagnetic storms. So what happens during a geomagnetic storm? Aurora borealis. Those beautiful northern and southern lights? They're actually visible signs of geomagnetic activity. Magnetic field fluctuations. The Earth's magnetic field can get a bit wobbly during these storms. Atmospheric changes. The upper layers of our atmosphere can heat up and expand. Now here's where things get really interesting. Some believe that solar activity might play a role in Earth's climate. While the exact extent of this influence is still debated, there are some intriguing connections. The sun goes through 11-year cycles of activity. There may be a correlation between these cycles and global temperature patterns. However, it's important to note that this is just one factor among many that influence our climate. Believe it or not, the sun's activity can affect the number of cosmic rays reaching Earth. Some think these cosmic rays might influence cloud formation, which in turn could affect our climate. The sun's influence doesn't stop at the atmosphere. Its activity can have ripple effects that reach all the way down to our crops. Changes in solar radiation can affect growing seasons and crop yields. Geomagnetic activity might influence soil processes and nutrient availability. Solar weather can impact the behavior of pollinators like bees. There are some surprising connections between solar activity and human health. During geomagnetic storms, the risk of heart attacks may increase. Some suggest a link between geomagnetic activity and mental health issues, including a potential increase in depression. Geomagnetic storms have been associated with disruptions in sleep patterns. Understanding the sun's influence on our environment, climate, and health is crucial for several reasons. Number 1, long-term planning. It helps us make better predictions about climate trends and health risks. Number 2, agricultural adaptation. Farmers can better prepare for potential solar-induced changes. Number 3, infrastructure protection. We can safeguard our power grids and communication systems against solar storms. Given the potential impacts of solar weather on our environment, health, and daily lives, staying informed is more important than ever. That's where FlareAware comes in. Our service provides real-time alerts about solar activity, geomagnetic disturbances, and potential impacts on Earth. By subscribing to FlareAware, you'll be among the first to know when significant solar events occur. Whether you're concerned about your health, planning outdoor activities, or simply curious about cosmic events, FlareAware has got you covered. Don't let the sun catch you off guard. Stay informed, stay prepared, and embrace the cosmic connection that links us all to our stellar neighbor. Subscribe to FlareAware today and take the first step towards solar weather awareness.